Welcome to the overview video of the new template that has just been released inside the template store, which is AI appointment booking. This is a simplified setup for users who want to implement appointment booking into their chatbots by using bot fields to save the available dates and time slots. We'll get more into that shortly, but first let's take a look at the setup itself. The first step will be to generate a chat completion, which will basically loop around until all the details for the appointment booking have been captured. In the next step, we will first take a look if all the appointments details have been captured. So yes, we will go towards the node above. And if not, as mentioned, we're just going to loop around, asking the next question, feeding it back into the chat completion until we have everything that we need. Once that is the case, we have a JavaScript, and that JavaScript will basically have all of the details inside of this type of JSON format. If we're going to say test the function, then you will see that we will get this result back, which we can save as a JSON field, which we also did. We can also save the first name and the email separately into their own system fields. The next step will be to generate or to set the email opt-in, just in case you want to send an email towards the user. We did not include it inside the template, but it is an option that you can choose. The next step will be to create a chat completion to send a confirmation message towards the user. And that chat completion looks like this. So again, we are going with a bot field persona. We will show the bot field shortly. And then you are to message the user to confirm the appointment is booked. And we are excited to see the user on. And then we're using the JSON field with the appointment time slot to mention the AI when we are expecting the user. Then we have some guidelines, including only mention the beginning time of the appointment. So instead of the AI mentioning, we'll see you Friday on 2 p.m. to 3 p.m., it will only show this specific step, Friday 2 p.m. Once that is done, we're going with another JavaScript because now we need to remove the chosen time slot from the available time slots. Because if the next user comes in to make an appointment, then we need to block the already chosen time slot, right? So that happens inside of this JSON script. As an example, you can see we are going to go and remove this from this payload. So if we're going to test the function, then you will see that this step, Friday between 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. should be removed from this overview. As you can see, we only have 2 available time slots for Friday now. This will be saved towards the bot field again, so we can reuse the bot field with the updated time slots. The last step is to send a confirmation message towards the admin of the business or the appointment setter of the business. And you can do that any way you like to. We already set up an appointment note, appointment detail overview, which you can just copy and paste into your desired notification. If we're going to take a look at the bot fields, you will see that under the bot fields themselves, then we will have the appointment booking dates, which you can just fill in this format. That is fine. The AI is able to handle that. Then we have the booking persona, which you can set any way you like to. Then we have the role. We would advise to keep the role as is, as this is important for the conversational flow and the AI to understand what the purpose is of the chat completion. Then we also have the booking conversational flow. And basically this is an instruction of how the conversation should go. So first of all, introduce yourselves and explain the user that you are there to help to schedule an appointment. And the rest will be a really guided conversation guideline on what to ask next once the previous detail has been captured. The last one will be the guideline for responses. And these are there for you to adjust. Either reply in first person, change the tone of voice. You can adjust this towards your own liking to match your own business branding. This is how the conversational flow is working for appointment booking. We hope you like it. Do try it out. And it's just a really easy way for users to experiment and get the desired results within just a few minutes instead of spending hours setting up your own appointment system.